Problem 1.3, work done in isothermal process. The properties of a closed system change following the relation between pressure and volume as PV is equal to 3, where P is in bar and V is in meter cube. P is pressure and V is volume. Calculate the work done when the pressure increases from 1.5 bar to 7.7 bar. So let us first draw the schematic of this problem, or the schematic of the system involved and process involved. So as you can see here, it is very clear-cut given. The system where the process is taking place is a closed system. So we know we have one classical example of closed system is piston cylinder arrangement. And it is containing some fluid. I won't say it will contain gas only, it can contain fluid. Okay, and the system is undergoing change of state. Let's say initially this was the state 1, and then it undergoes some change of state. So this is state 2, and it will be a closed system. Now next, represent the process taking place inside this closed system. Now we have been given the governing equation for this process as PV is equal to 3. So PV is equal to any constant is the governing equation for the isothermal process. Because here the value of the polytropic index N is 1. So given process is isothermal process. This is the first thing we will require to draw the process on PV plot, and then pressure is increasing from 1.5 bar to 7.5 bar. That means it is compression process, because only in compression process pressure increases. So from these two informations, now I can represent this process on pressure volume diagram. So here pressure is considered in bar and volume is in meter cube. Now let us first locate the initial state point. So as we know, it is isothermal process and it is compression process. So initially the pressure will be low and volume will be large. So that point can be represented somewhere here. So this is the initial state of this system, and at this point its pressure is P1 and volume is B1. Now the system is undergoing isothermal compression, and an isothermal process is represented by a curved line So this will be state 2. At this point or at this state, let's say pressure is P2 and volume is V2. Now merely representing state 1 and 2 will not be the true representation of this process. We must show the direction of the process. That means process is taking place from state 1 to state 2 and it represents now isothermal compression, and its governing equation is PV is equal to 1.3. So figure 2 is isothermal compression process on PV plot. So this way I can represent, this way I can draw the schematic and representation of the given process on PV plot. After this, now let us enlist all the given things. So the very first thing given to you in the problem is governing equation for process 1 to 2, and this governing equation is PV is equal to 1.3. Then initial pressure P1 is given as 1.5 bar and final pressure P2 is given as 7.7 bar. Okay. Now I can also say it is isothermal compression process. Because from the governing equation and from the values of pressure, initial and final pressure, I can infer that the given process 1 to 2 is isothermal compression process. Point number 3 or step number 3 is assumption. So I can assume the given process is quasi-static or reversible process. Then point number 4, let us enlist what is to be found out. So we are supposed to calculate work done during this process. Then step number 5, calculation. Now we will be doing detailed calculations. Now we know that if a process is quasi-static process or reversible process or process is taking place in a closed system, so for such condition, work done will be we have this general expression integration of PdV. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now in order to calculate work done during this process using the equation 1, I must have the relationship between this unknown pressure P and volume V, which is given to me. So W1 to 2. Now replacing this P from this governing equation, PV is equal to 1.3 and will be 3 dV over V integration from V1 to V2. So W12 will be 3 log B, B1 to B2, or W1 to 2, 3 log B2 minus log B1. And from the law of logarithmic, log V2 minus log V1 can also be represented as log V2 by V1. Let's say this is equation number 2. Okay. So this is the law actually. Log A minus log B can also be written as log A by B. Now here V2 and V1 are unknown to me. So I can calculate from PV is equal to 3, and for process 1 to 2 I can also write this governing equation as P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So if I consider this governing equation individually, I can get the value of V1 and V2. So therefore V1 will be P1 V1 will be equal to 3. Therefore V1 will be 3 divided by P1. Here pressure is to be considered in bar. P1 is 1.5. So volume will be 2 meter cube. Okay. Similarly, if I take P2 V2 is equal to 3. So from here V2 will be 3 divided by 7.7. P2 is 7.7. So this comes approximately 0.4 meter. Okay. So therefore, from equation 2, work done during this process will be 3 log V2 is 0.4 divided by 2. Now one more thing I forgot to mention here. Here pressure is to be considered in SI unit. So while representing PV is equal to 3 or P is equal to 3 by V, pressure is to be considered in Newton per meter square. Only then I will get the unit as this. So 10 to power 5, 10 to power 5, it will be multiplied by 10 to power 5 because 1 bar is equal to 10 to power 5 Pascal. This entire quantity is multiplied by 10 to power 5. So this is something I was going to commit the mistake by not taking the appropriate units. And 10 to power 5. So W1 to 2 will be it will be minus 482,831.4 joule. because the pressure of unit I have considered as Newton per meter square and unit of volume as meter cube, so it will become Newton meter, that means joule. Now let us convert it into kilojoule, minus 482.8 kilojoule. So this is the required work done or work done involved in this process. Now here I will put one remark. Here negative sign is appearing in the value of work done. So I will justify this negative sign. So negative sign indicates that work is done on the system or work is input to the system, because it is compression process. So in compression process, we have to do work on the system or we have to give work input to the system. So this way you can solve this numerical.